And now we need an action to get the car recycling companies, the contact data, because I want to write them an email. So I type again Dataverse to get the right action. And there's an action list rows. And here I can select a table, which is the contact table, because in that contact table I have the contact data for the car recycling companies. So here I look again, contact customer car recycler, because I don't want to have all contacts, only the car recycler. So I have to filter for the car recyclers. I go back into the Power Automate flow and I see advanced parameters. So I click on show all. And here I see all the parameters I can modify. And I want to modify the filter rows parameter. And I paste in something I prepared before. And the filter statement says contact type equal, and then there's a number. And to understand that, we have to go back to the Dataverse view, to tables, and especially to the contact table. And we go into the column contact type. And here we see that we have a choice field type, data type, and the choice we have has a certain number. And for car recycler, it's this number I pasted in. So it is not looking for the label I gave it, but for the value of the choice. And the value is a unique identifier that is always the same, independent how I rename the label or change the label later on. It doesn't matter for the Power Automate flow because it's always referring to the number. And for car recycler, it's the number 292.62001. Now I go back to my Power Automate flow. Here you see the number. The other interesting aspect is contact type. You don't just type the name, but also the technical name. And the technical name of the column contact type can be found under name in the overview of the columns, which is in this case CR07C underscore contact type, which is exactly why I cannot just type contact type here, but also have to have the prefix CR07C for contact type. And the filter language is so-called OData filter expression. And like equal, they have equal, greater, and other filters.